Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can turn on vertical tabs in Edge browser. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, open Edge browser and make sure you're running the latest version. Click on this three dot icon, click on settings, here click on about Microsoft Edge and update the browser. Once you have updated your browser, simply right click on tab area. Here you will find an option called Turn on Vertical Tabs, or else you can use this shortcut key and it will enable vertical tabs in Edge browser. If you want, you can collapse the panel, or else you can simply expand it by clicking on this pin icon. Now to disable it, simply right click on tab area. Here you will find an option called Turn off vertical tabs. There is also another method. For that, click on this drop-down menu and select Turn on Vertical Tabs. Now to disable it, again click on this option and turn off vertical tabs. You can also turn on and turn off vertical tabs in Edge browser using Edge settings. Simply visit Edge browser settings page, click on Appearance option, scroll down, click on Tabs option and simply turn on Show Vertical Tabs toggle. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.